Is Vinit Raj.
विनीत राज, व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन?
Sir,
क्या कर रहे हैं आप अभी?
I am making mark sheet of students.
Marksheet of students. So fine. Let me see. Okay, you have filled all the marks of all the students, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you have to find the total and percentage.
Yes, sir.
So how will you find the total and percentage?
Sir, with the formula of sum.
Do it. I want to see.
Sir.
Very good. And you have to apply with all the tables, all the columns, all the rows. Then how will you do?
So first of all, I will select this. Then
Okay, very good. Now you have to find percentage, no?
yes, sir.
Alright. So do it. Find the percentage. So you are going to use again formula, right? Very
Yes,
good.
sir. So there.
Very good. Find the percentage of all students. Very good. Excellent.